Oh my gosh, is there another one? If it gets to 4, is everybody okay? Oh my god! Oh my god! My scalp! Oh my god!
Is everybody alright? That one back. I want a refund on that one.
Holy!
Holy mega!
Did you catch all that?
Yeah!
I got your mom.
I want you to.
Whoa, Mom! Oh, that's what the firework did, and ow.
What happened?
That's...
That's
Yeah.
gonna wet. I wonder if she should go to the ER.
No, we've dealt with worse than this.
I actually have burn cream at home from when I was burned at work.
That's pretty bad.
It's the second degree. Give her an ice cube. Just a 21 ice
No,
cube.
no, no.
Sorry.
It's fine, it's fine.
No, it's not fine.
Whoa.
Did my hair burn off?
There's ash in your hair.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
Ash in my hair.
did my hair burn? I don't want to be bald. I'm sorry. I love you.
Who
but
cares about the arm?
okay, my arm will be fine. I can't go without hair.
Yeah, the 3/4.
I couldn't get that jacket on fast.